Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome to this very special episode of my YouTube channel. I've never done this before, but I really wanted to share this with you guys, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the EOS R. Ta-da! So I just got this on loan from Canon. Camera ni actually dah keluar in 2018, but because like I said I just got it, I wanted to share with you guys what it's like to unbox and what's actually inside. So let's do this. This camera is actually Canon's first full-frame mirrorless camera. Lepas the EOS R, there's another one called the EOS RP, but for the semi-pro intermediate punya level, EOS RP is more for the beginner punya level. But for EOS R, if you want to get really into photography, moving from the DSLR, this is the one for you. So let's do this. Tier 1, we've got the usual things. We've got the manual, battery charger, charging cable. Actually, I'm going to be very honest, I've actually opened this before, but we're going to go through the motions just to share with you guys. Lens hood, lens pouch, the strap. One thing about this strap is that it's slightly smaller. Normally when I travel, I prefer like bigger straps because cameras can get heavy. But here's the thing about the EOS R. The weight of the camera is about, I think, 6.6 kilograms, which makes it really easy to move around. So it's very light, hence the strap is quite small. Now we're gonna get to the most exciting part, opening the body. When I first got this, I was super excited because obviously it was really new. And here it is, the Canon EOS R. First full frame mirrorless, and it's so light, obviously because it's a mirrorless. The grip was so amazing, guys. Like, it's on the right hand side, obviously. Oops, something's out. But it's like a magnesium alloy body or something. I can't really get the exact material. Tapi bila pegang grip, on one hand pun, because of the weight, it's very ergonomic. And it's got a flip screen. Flip touch screen. That coupled with the touch bar, so whenever I shoot with this, I just touch focus on the flip screen and then adjust my settings, ISO, aperture on the touch bar, and I get my shot. It's one of my favorite things about the camera. Now the 24-105 lens! RF, because the Canon mirrorless systems uses the new RF system, but don't worry because you also get a mount adapter with it. Kalau the old system uses the EF, this one is one of the first RF lenses that went out. Guys, guys, seriously, I love this lens. First, it's 24-105, so it's super versatile. I've shot food photos with it, I've shot landscape with it, I've shot architecture with it. I get my shots, it's very crisp, the focusing is amazing, it's so fast, processing sekali dengan the body. The control ring pula, you can adjust the control ring for your aperture, for your ISO, sometimes even white balance. But guys, favorite lens, let's go with the EOS R. Guys, actually, I lupa nak unbox the mount adapter. Because I was so excited to set this up. So the mount adapter from EF to EOS R is very important for anyone who's thinking of jumping from the Canon EF system to the new mirrorless RF system. It's very small and you get this with every purchase of the EOS R, so jangan risau, you will be able to use your old lenses. Let's open this. Kecil je. This is this tiny thing that doesn't really affect the weight of your camera. Woo! Ta-da! Tiny mount adapter for the lens, for your old lens. Okay, that's the unboxing. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm gonna go off and shoot a bit with the EOS R for the next couple of months, and I'll be back with a full in-depth review. Thank you, bye!